In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on the Motorola Moto G87. So in order to go to the safe mode, first of all, we need to open the power menu, which we can do, for example, by going to the control center or quick settings. And then here we have this power button. You want to tap on it. So now we have the power menu, and you want to press and hold your finger on the power off option, for example. And then we have this prompt, reboot to safe mode, and we want to confirm by pressing OK. Now your phone is going to restart and wait for that to be done, and once your phone turns back on, you will see that you are in the safe mode. And there we go. As you can see here, we have the safe mode activated. Now you can unlock your phone, and you will notice that we have the airplane mode automatically enabled as well. And now, if you want to simply exit the safe mode, you have to restart your phone. So we can, of course, reopen. You can actually go to notifications, and you have this notification that the safe mode is on, so you can tap on it in order to turn off the safe mode. Or you can tap on, of course, the power button in the control center again, and then restart your phone. And then once it is done, you will be back into the normal mode. Keep in mind that the airplane mode most likely is going to be still enabled, so you will have to, of course, turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.